AI virtual influencers could be your best medium to go viral quickly and boost your business. Many virtual influencers are doing extraordinary jobs. Imagine having your own Instagram influencer, always trendy, always available, and never asking for a paycheck. Today, I'm revealing the step-by-step process to build your very own virtual influencer. Let's dive in. There are several methods of making a virtual influencer. We already made videos on this topic. However, today, I will share an amazing AI-powered platform, which is a one-stop solution for influencer creation. I am talking about APOB AI. This AI influencer builder allows users to train the model using a single image and then create unlimited images and videos in various styles. You can also make talking and singing influencers with APOB AI. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and you will be on this page. Now click on Create for free from here and then create an account. Alright, this is the APOB AI Influencer Creator interface. First, you can create and train a portrait model here. Then, you will find some community models. You can generate images and videos using these models. I will create my own. Next, you will find some images and videos generated with APOB AI. You can take inspiration from them. Alright, now let's create and train our own model. Simply click on the Create Portrait Model button. Once you are on this page, you have to select the model image. There are two options. You can upload an image if you already have one, or you can generate a new model using the AI Influencer Generator. Since I will create a brand new influencer, I will choose the second option. This is the AI Influencer Generator interface. Now we have to set all the values to generate a perfect image. If you click on the Random button from here, it will create random values for the appearance of the model. If you want a precise result, then do it manually. First, set the gender. I will go with a female. Next, set the age of the model. 20 to 30 years is perfect for our model. Next, we have to select the origin country. You can add multiple ethnicities. Next, set the eye color, then hairstyle, hair color, and after that, the face shape. In the end, you will find some additional options like dimples, beard, and suntan. Set all the values according to your needs. Once done, hit the Generate button to generate the image. APOB AI will take some time to generate the image. And here it is. The image is here. You can see that it generates a perfect image. It looks like a perfect influencer image. Now, if you don't like the image, you can regenerate the image. Once you find the best result, select the image and then click here to select the image as the reference image. Okay, once the reference image is added, enter a name for your model. After that, add a proper description for your model. Enter as much data as possible. Now, if you want to showcase your model publicly, then keep this turned on. But if you want to keep your model private, then turn it off. Once everything is set, hit the Create Your Image Model button from here. And here you can see that APOB AI created our model. So, we have got our influencer and it's ready to create content. It's very quick. This is the image generator interface. Here on the left side, you will find various tools to generate images. And on the top, you will find options to generate video content. Let's start with image generation. Our first image generation tool is Build Your Own. Here, you have to set the style, environment, appearance, and weather to generate images of the trained model. Let's try this feature. In the style, you will find all the popular styles. I will go with realistic. Next, in the environment, we have to select a background for our image. Next, set the model's appearance. You will find a bunch of options. Select an appearance that is aligned with the environment you have selected earlier. After that, you can set the weather for your image. Once you are done, come here and choose an aspect ratio for your image. In the end, we can set the image quality. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. It will take some time to generate the images. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. The images are ready. This is just amazing. So, you can see APOB AI generates images according to the instructions and keeps the face like our model. This is amazing. So, you can now create unlimited images of any model. And you don't need to have proper knowledge of the prompt. You can even generate images in easier steps than this. Here, in this Complete Set tab, you will find various templates to generate the image. Just choose one of them and hit the Generate button. And here it is. New images are ready, and you can see the results. They are just amazing. So now, consistent character image generation becomes easier than ever with APOB AI. Alright, if you are an expert at prompts and want to generate more customized results, then use the Expert option. Once you are on this page, enter the text prompt in this box. After that, you can enter the negative prompt in this box. Next, set the aspect ratio and image quality, and then hit the Generate button to generate images. And here are the generated images. APOB AI did a great job again. There is another interesting feature called Image Face Swap available here. With this feature, you can swap faces between your model image and another image. For example, I want my model face on this image. So, what do I need to do? After coming to this Face Swap tool, click here and then upload the target image. Once the image is uploaded, simply hit the Generate button. And here is the result. Alright, now let's talk about video creation. Like images, there are several options to generate videos. First of all, let's talk about how we can turn our model images into a video. Come to the Image to Video option from here. After coming to this page, we have to select the image first. You can select from your previously generated images or upload a new image from your device. I will select an image from the content. After selecting the image, set the quality between High, Best, and Ultra. The Ultra will take more time and credits, but generate the best result. After that, select the duration of the video. You can generate a maximum of 10-second long videos. Once you are ready, hit the Generate button. As it will take some time, I will fast forward this part. And here, the video is ready. It's quite good, it looks so real. The motion is subtle and there is no unexpected movement. That's great. You can generate a more precise video by adding prompts here in this box. For example, I am using this image. After selecting the image, enter the prompts here in this box. Once done, set all other settings and then hit the Generate button. And here it is, the video is ready. Now it's just amazing. So now, not only images, but you can also create amazing, consistent character videos using APOB AI. That's not the end. Next, you can swap faces from any video with your model face using the Video Face Swap feature. After coming to this page, here you have to upload the target video clip. After uploading the video clip, set the quality from here. Ultra will take more time, but produce the best result. Once you are done, hit the Generate button from here and wait some time. And here it is, our video clip is ready. You can see how beautifully it swapped the face with our model's face. Alright, now let's talk about how you can make your influencer talk. You can use the Talking Avatar or Lip Sync tool to do so. Let's try the Talking Avatar feature first. To create a talking avatar using your model, you have to select an image first. You can select an image from the images you created on APOB, or upload an image from your device. After that, you have to generate the audio or upload the audio clip. To create audio, click on Generate New Audio. Now, we have to enter the script in this box. If you don't have any script, you can generate it with AI. You just have to enter the topic here and then set the script duration. Once done, click on the Help Me Write It button from here. And our script is ready. Now you can customize the script. Okay, after entering the script, set the voice model from here. Set a voice model that aligns with the model. Once done, hit the Generate button to generate the audio. And here it is. The audio clip is ready.
And I'm thrilled to connect with you today.
Once the audio is selected, hit the Generate button. And here it is, the video clip is ready.
Hello everyone, I'm Emily, and I'm thrilled to connect with you today. Whether you're tuning in from home, on a break, or during your commute, I want to share some insights that could spark your creativity and inspire new ideas. We'll explore fascinating topics, share stories that resonate.
The quality of the video is decent. However, we can use the lip sync feature to generate more quality talking videos. After coming to this page, we have to select the reference video clip. Like before, you can use your generated video or upload a new video clip. I am selecting this video clip. Now, select the audio clip like before. After that, hit the Generate button and here it is. The video is ready.
Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the heart of what makes our community special. Talking with fans, your voices matter, and we want to hear your thoughts, ideas, and stories.
And now you can see it generates higher quality video. This is not the end. You can generate videos only with text prompts using text-to-video tools. Like the image complete setup, you can generate videos with the text-to-video video tool. In conclusion, APOB AI is an amazing tool to create and run a virtual influencer. You can try it for free. It will give you 80 free credits per day. But if you are serious about your business, then you should buy a premium plan. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about APOB AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.